the two-time world champion and the funniest of all time, Fernando Alonso Diaz. In 2001, he joined Formula One. He started with Minardi, which was a terrible team, and it also had uncompetitive machinery. But despite that, he showed pace, and by doing that, he impressed the team Renault, a key factor in his Formula One career. In 2003, he joins Renault and achieves his first pole position in Malaysia, and in Hungary, he becomes the youngest F1 driver to win a race at his time. He doesn't slow down in 2004 too, consistent podiums and already setting himself up to be a future world champion. And well, what did you expect? In 2005, the 24-year-old Fernando Alonso becomes the youngest person at that time to gain a Drivers' World Championship, ending Michael Schumacher's and Ferrari's long-lasting dominance. He did not stop gaining titles of being the youngest to achieve things though, as in 2006, he became the youngest driver to gain a back-to-back Drivers' World Championship. However, that would be the last time he gets a championship. In 2007, he joins McLaren alongside rookie Lewis. He had intense competition, unhealthy competition with Lewis, to the point he delayed his pit stop to sabotage Lewis. As of the Civil War, he left McLaren despite his 4 wins. In 2008, he returns to Renault, not the last time he will. However, the team is sadly more uncompetitive. The tragedy that was the Singapore crashgate, where Renault forced Fernando's teammate to crash to bring out a safety car so Fernando could win, which was illegal and sadly stained Fernando's win forever. He then joined Ferrari in 2010 and then stayed with them till 2014. He gained many wins but tragically lost many opportunities for another championship to Vettel many times. And one time, he lost by only 4 points. Ferrari effect did not leave Fernando too, and this image proves it further. He returns with McLaren in 2015, but had many engine failures since they used the Honda engine. He then left Formula One in 2016. He returned to Formula One in 2021 with Alpine, which was rebranded from Renault. 2023, he joins Aston Martin and gains many podiums, won in the first race despite being 42, but he will forever remain one of the greatest Formula One driver decades after his retirement. And he has secured himself as many people's, including mine, favorite driver. Fernando Alonso, the greatest Formula One driver to many.